Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths. Today we are solving for x. What is x? Well, it's the measurement in this right angle triangle, which reminds me to complete my drawing. Each one of the sides of this triangle contain the pronumeral x, and so you may be wondering how we go about finding this. Well, what we do is we apply Pythagoras' theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And while it might not be readily apparent, or it might be intimidating because of all the pronumerals to think about that, I'm going to show you how to do it. So we're going to call that a, we're going to call that b, and we're going to call that c. So a squared is x squared. B squared is this measurement here, x plus 1, whatever it is, squared. And that equals this measurement here, 2x minus 1 squared. Now, there's a bit of work with quadratics in this. They are perfect squares. I will explain how you expand them. But if you want to see more, do have a look at my video on perfect squares. Okay, x squared, no need to expand that. This is x times 1 times x times 1. And I'll just do this over here. I won't do it for the second one. I'll just do it for this one, and you can see how it's done. So it is x times x, x squared. It is 1 times x plus x, 1 times x plus x, and 1 times 1 plus 1, which gives us x squared from the original here, plus x squared plus 2x, these two x's here, plus 1. That's that expansion. Now, what you will see is that there you can discern a rule from this, which is you square this, that's the x squared, you square this, which is the 1, 1 times 1 is 1, and you multiply this number by 2, this pronumeral by 2, and multiply it by that. So 2 times x times 1 gives us 2x. So coming to this, we get 4x squared, 2 squared and x squared, minus 2x minus 2x, which gives us negative 4x, which is 2 times 2 times x, which is 4, times negative 1, which is negative 4x, and negative 1 times negative 1 gives us 1. When we put these together, we'll do this side first. Add these, 2x squared plus 2x plus 1, and that equals 4x squared minus 4x plus 1. This is a bit tedious, but it's good practice. Now, we're going to subtract 2x squared from both sides, which is going to leave us with 2x. So it comes off here and it comes off here. This disappears. We're going to subtract 2x from both sides. It comes off here and gives us negative 6x. 6x, not 64, 6x. So that is negative 2x there. That disappears. Going to subtract 1 from this side and 1 from this side, so we're left with nothing. Now, this looks a little messy, not only because of my writing, but there's a lot going on here. So we're going to draw a line there. We're going to simplify this by taking out a common factor, which is 2. So we get x squared minus 3x. And we can factorize this. X into x minus 3, which means that x can equal 0. How do we make that equal 0? We make it equal 0. Simple as that. If x is to equal 0, then x equals 0. How do we make this equal 0? Well, we make that number 3. And so this is equal to 3. Now, we have two potential solutions, 0 and 3. Let's go up here and have a look. If we put 0 into this, we get negative 1. Find me negative 1 on your measuring tape. when you measure a triangle, and I'll give you $50. Same thing over here. If this is 0, we don't have a triangle. What we've got is a line or something. We could potentially have 0 as a value down here, but the answer is in fact 3 because it gives us positive values for each of these. And that is how you solve the pronumeral in the measurements of this triangle for x. The answer is 3. Can't be 0. You can't have 0 or a negative number as a measurement for a triangle. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you found this useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.